Right now at 4 o'clock, big developments in the Serenity McKinney murder case. The man charged with killing the 4-year-old from Shelbyville has taken a plea. This means no one will go to trial for the little girl's murder. Dakota Hill and Serenity's mother, Catherine Abby McKinney, were charged in Serenity's death last year after the child was reported missing and later found dead. Kentucky State Police found her fractured body in West Point, Kentucky, in a suitcase filled with sand, according to the autopsy. Serenity's mom, Catherine, took a plea in the case earlier this year, agreeing to testify against her boyfriend. Today, that trial was canceled when he changed his plea. WHAS 11's Bobby McSwine was in the courtroom.
After more than a year of seeking justice, Serenity McKinney's family received a version of it in Bullitt County Circuit Court. The man accused of her murder pled guilty to the 4-year-old's death, expected to serve 50 years behind bars.
Sir, do you enter each of these pleas of guilty of your own free will because you are guilty and for no other reason?
Yes, Your Honor.
So to hear his voice, it just cringes down my spine.
Melody Roller says it was the first time she's heard Dakota Hill's voice after only meeting him once around Christmas 2020, the last time she saw her granddaughter Serenity.
She was 4 years old. She was a little girl. What could she have possibly done to deserve any of this?
Roller and loved ones gathered at the courthouse wearing Serenity's signature pink for one of the last times as their year-long nightmare comes to an end. Last month, Serenity's mother, Abby McKinney, pled guilty to manslaughter in connection to her death. Hill was McKinney's boyfriend at the time of Serenity's death. The 4-year-old's body was found in West Point, Kentucky in February of 2022. An autopsy showed she was found in a suitcase filled with a sand-like substance, and she had fractured bones.
While nothing can atone for the crime that was committed, we think 50 years is a just resolution of this case.
I know I'm accepting the 50 years. Is that justice? Like I said, nothing will ever be justice. They could sentence him to 100 years. It will never be enough.
At McKinney's sentencing, the judge said horror movies had less impact than what happened to Serenity. As part of her plea, she would have had to testify against Hill, making those gruesome details public.
I don't think that would bring justice to Serenity's memory. I want Serenity to be remembered as the smile, as her playful, as her energy as a child.
Hill's sentencing is scheduled for July. Roller says an impact statement will be read on behalf of the entire family. In Bullitt County, Bobby McSwine, WHAS 11 on your side.
All right, Bobby, thank you very much. Serenity McKinney would have been 6 years old this August. Her grandmother plans to celebrate her birthday with a public celebration in Shelbyville.